I need a maintenance, my machine broke down, or I need a machine immediately because I have the downtime is too long, and so on and so forth. So there was a huge manual process outside for the service manager, and depending on what machine it is, they have to call 5, 6, 7 different suppliers. And till you get an appointment from the supplier, yes, okay, I come, but it's just possible the next month, the next week, in 2 weeks. So this was a really long time, and in this time we had a lack of quality, of course, and we had to fill up this hole with manual work, with of course causes, resources, and manual work, which was not in the sense of us all, because there are not of ergonomic parts behind it when it comes to the HSE department. So at the end of the day, we could reduce the downtime when we implemented ToolSense by 50 to 70%, because when we implemented ToolSense, we agreed on SLAs with our suppliers. We say, okay, we need SLAs from you when you get a ticket, or the machine makes a notice that we say, okay, I need maintenance, I have a breakdown. You have to react in 24, 48, 72 hours, depending on the machine. And then this has to be written down in the contract, of course, because a monthly SLA doesn't count anything, and there's no value for operations.